Namaskar. Sutradhar welcomes you all to its World Theatre Day presentation, The Refund. This is a Hungarian script written by Fritz Carinthi in the year 1938. The script was translated into English by Percival Wilde and adapted and directed for the Sutradhar presentation by Narayan S. As you all know, World Theatre Day is celebrated on March 27th every year, and a popular personality from the field of theatre and dramatics normally sends out a message to the world. This year we have from John Gavin Malkovich. He is an American actor, producer, director and fashion designer with his label Techno Bohemian. I would urge all of you to please switch off your mobiles. This is going to be a major nuisance if the mobile is going to keep ringing incessantly during the performance. Thank you so much. Over the last 25 years of his career, Malkovich has appeared in more than 70 motion pictures. For his roles in Places in the Heart and in The Line of Fire, he received Academy Award nominations. He has also appeared in critically acclaimed films such as Empire of the Sun, The Killing Fields, Dangerous License, Of Mice and Men, Being John Malkovich, and Red. His message is as follows. I am honored to have been asked by the International Theatre Institute, ITI, at UNESCO to give this greeting commemorating the 50th anniversary of World Theatre Day. I will address my brief remarks to my fellow theatre workers, peers and comrades. May your work be compelling and original. May it be profound, touching, contemplative and unique. May it help us to reflect on the question of what it means to be human, and may that reflection be blessed with heart, sincerity, candor and grace. May you overcome adversity, censorship, poverty and nihilism, as many of you will most certainly be obliged to do. May you be blessed with the talent and rigor to teach us about the beating of the human heart in all its complexity and the humility and curiosity to make it your life's work. And may the best of you, for it will only be the best of you, and even then, only in the rarest and briefest moments, succeed in framing that most basic of questions. How do we live? Godspeed. This is John Malkovich's message for the World Theatre Day for the year 2012. I have already requested you all to keep your phone in silent mode, and the photographers present here are requested to not use flash during the photography. And this is Sutradhar's presentation, The Refund. The play is adapted and directed by Narayan S. Please enjoy the show, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Chandigarh? What are you doing in Chandigarh? Getting married? वाओ, साला बुढ़ा 60 साल में लड़की पटा ही लिया। लड़की बुढ़ा। सो कैसी है दिखने में? हाउ इज शी? आई मीन व्हाट इज हर एज? 40 years? तेरा आंटी बोलना, लड़की क्या बोलता है?
सर
Just joking है। I'm very happy for you. Congratulations. How have the children taken it?
जब देखो फोन पे टॉकिंग, फेसबुक पे चैटिंग, साला चाटो। सर
Just a minute. क्या है?
कोई आया है सर, आपसे मिलना चाहता है।
इस वक्त?
हाँ सर।
तुमको मालूम है इस वक्त मैं पेरेंट्स से नहीं मिलता। उनको ऑफिस आवर्स में आने को बोलो। प्रकाश, I'll catch up with you later. After I go home, I'll give you a call. Okay? Bye. सत्य, बहरा हो गया क्या? उनको बोलना बाहर बोर्ड के ऊपर टाइमिंग लिखा हुआ है, ठीक से देख लें।
बाहर बोर्ड पे?
बाहर बोर्ड पे नहीं तो क्या मेरे सर पे? तेरा ठीक है कि नहीं? भगवान जब अकल बांट रहा था तो कहाँ जाके छुप गया था रे?
ना तो। लेकिन सर वो मेरे जैसे भी नहीं लगता सर, अकेले आया है और उसका हाथा भी काले है सर।
कोई स्टूडेंट है क्या?
स्टूडेंट भी नहीं लगता सर, कपड़े गंदे, कोई चेत्ता न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्टर लगता सर।
अब ये चत्ता क्या होता है?
चिन्नी न्यूज़पेपर सर।
अच्छा, पेरेंट भी नहीं है, स्टूडेंट भी नहीं है, फिर कौन है?
उसने तो सिर्फ यही बोला, मेरा नाम विद्यार्थी है।
नहीं आशीष विद्यार्थी तो नहीं?
हाँ, उतना काला तो नहीं है सर।
कपड़े भी तो गंदे हैं। अच्छा, दिखने में कैसा है?
दिखने में मोटा।
मेरा मतलब इंटेलिजेंट है, स्मार्ट है, कैसा है?
हाँ, चूड़ा नहीं कहते, मस्त इंटेलिजेंट लगता है सर, मेरा जैसा।
हाँ, हो गया। फिर तो वो स्कूल इंस्पेक्टर नहीं हो सकता। अंदर भेजो उसे।
अभी भेजू?
नहीं, फिर कब भेजेगा तू? मैं ऑफिस से जाने के बाद भेजेगा, कल भेजेगा, जाके भेज।
तो हमेशा चिड़चिड़ाते रहता। अरे रुक भाई रुक। साइनाइड, चाकू, ब्लेड, कुछ लाया, पिस्टल वगैरह? आजकल मर्डर जा रहा होगा स्कूल पे। हाँ
सर हेलो, आई एम विद्यार्थी।
Yes, what do you want?
यू डोंट रिमेम्बर मी?
I don't think I've seen you before.
वैसे भी स्कूल से निकलने के बाद काफी हाइट बढ़ गई है। खैर, भाड़ में जाए। चेक योर क्लास रिकॉर्ड, दे विल टेल यू दैट आई हैव अ राइट टू कम हियर।
Why should I check my class records?
अरे प्रिंसिपल साहब, आई एम विद्यार्थी, याद आया? आदर्श विद्यार्थी।
So, you're Mr. Arthi, Adarsh, whatever. Nice name. But what is it you want?
You don't even remember my name, na? Huh? हाँ, I think you will be happy to forget me. Principal Saab, let me come to the point. I was a student here 15 years ago.
Oh, so you're an old student of our school.
हाँ,
That's nice, that's nice. Adarsh, my God, how tall you have grown. You give me a pain in the neck. But what do you want now? Another certificate?
since I'm bringing back my TC, I don't think I need another certificate. That is not the reason why I've come here.
Then?
As a former student of the school, I want you to refund my school fees paid 15 years ago for my education.
What? Refund? The school fees?
Yes, the school fees. अगर मैं आपकी तरह रईस आदमी होता ना, ये पैसे मैं आपको ऐसे दे देता. But I'm not a rich man. I need that money.
I don't understand.
Damn it! I need my money back.
But why?
Because I didn't get my money's worth. Here. This certificate says I got an education. See. Well, I didn't learn anything. 15 साल, 12 साल तक आप ही के स्कूल में इन्हीं कंधों पे भारी भारी किताबों का बोझ ढोया मैंने. पर आज भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है.
This is ridiculous. You mean to say you want us to refund the school fees because you didn't learn anything here? What an absurd idea.
Absurd idea? Huh? Actually, it's a good idea. It's such a good idea that I'm not able to get it out of my mind. All thanks to the education that I got here. It made me nothing. I'm an incompetent as now. My old classmate Dhansuk, he gave me this idea half an hour back.
Gave you this idea?
Yes. I was walking back from my office after I got fired from my last job, I needed some cash desperately. I had no money, no savings, nothing. That is when I met Dhansukh. मैंने कहा, अरे धनसुख, क्या बात है यार, बड़ा सही है तू तो, कहाँ जा रहा है? He says, Vidya, I don't have the time to explain you all that, but I need to go to the broker to collect the money I made speculating in forex. मैंने कहा भाई ये forex क्या है? बोलता है, यार, according to the newspapers, Indian rupee is down by 15% and I have made the difference. मैंने बोला यार भाई जब पैसा गिर रहा है, तू तो उसमें पैसा कैसे बना रहा है? वो बोलता है विद्या, if you don't know this, you know nothing at all. Go यार, go and get your school fees refunded. And then you know he hurried away and left. और तब मैंने सोचा, साला ये स्कूल में पढ़ाई की हुई, पैसा कमाने के लिए ना, वो तो साला वहां नोट पे नोट छापता है और मेरी यहाँ नौकरियों पे नौकरियां छूटती है. ठीक बात है. I should get my money back and that is the reason why I've come here. Please sir, give me back my money. It means a lot to me.
We've never got a request like this before.
Dhansukh is a very good friend. ठीक है ना? When I get my money back, I'll buy him a Scotch bottle.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious and I have never been more serious. अगर आपने मेरे पैसे नहीं दिए ना, तो मैं पुलिस के पास जाऊंगा, तो मैं कंज्यूमर कोर्ट जाऊंगा, तो मैं मीडिया के पास जाऊंगा और उनसे कहूंगा that you took my money and taught me nothing. I can't do things I should have learned in school.
Don't you shout. तुम पागल हो गए हो. You are absolutely crazy. आदर्श, एक काम कर. अभी तुम घर जाओ. I'll come back to you on this later.
इतनी आसानी से छुटकारा नहीं मिलेगा मेरे से. I will only go back when I get my money. I was given education here in exchange for money, so that I can do something. Now I can't do anything because I was taught so badly. अरे, anybody will say that I should get my money back.
ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think? Who says you can't do anything?
Everybody says like that. नौकरी मिलती है छूट जाती है because I can't do anything. घर वाले अलग ताना मारते हैं. बंदी मिलती है तो शादी करने को तैयार नहीं होती है. साला. Let's do one thing. Let me take an exam. Tell me what to do.
Exam?
Or even better, call in all your teachers and let them decide.
You seriously want to take another exam?
लूंगा. मेरा हक बनता है.
क्या अजीब आदमी है? Exam. अच्छा ठीक है. But I'll have to consult my staff. So I'll have to call for a staff meeting. You please wait outside. I'll send for you after the meeting.
ठीक है. जा रहा हूँ. But make it fast. ठीक है ना? मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. साला आज रिफंड लेके ही जाऊंगा.
सत्य. यहाँ की घंटी क्या हुई? रिपेयर करने को दिया था ना?
ला दो सर.
कब? मैं रिटायर होने के बाद.
ला दो.
अच्छा सुन. ये जो है सब पूरे स्टाफ को बोलना अर्जेंट मीटिंग है. ऑफिस में आ जा.
कब बुलाऊं सर?
अर्जेंट मीटिंग को कब बुलाएगा रे?
अभी.
तेरा दिमाग है क्या? अभी नहीं तो बुलाया तो कब बुलाएगा?
बुला दो सर.
अजीब मुसीबत है. ये इसका बाप अच्छा था. रिटायर हुआ करके इसको अपॉइंट किए तो एक मुसीबत मोल लिया मैंने. कोई काम का नहीं है. इडियट पक्का. ऊपर से ये आदर्श स्कैम्स. सब स्कैम. आदर्श के नाम से स्कैम. और ये एक नई मुसीबत. आदर्श विद्यार्थी. इसका तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. टीचर्स के साथ कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसमें. टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स, कंट्रीमेन, lend me your ears. ये तो ठीक नहीं कर. Teachers, I have called you all here to discuss a very peculiar situation. I called you all here to discuss a very strange situation. That is this. Teachers, I have called you all here to discuss a very strange situation. A situation we have not faced in this school since its inception, which I have not faced in my career as a teacher in the last 30 years, and probably will not in future. An old student has come, and we will all together have to tackle him. and see
Sir.
how to.
Sir,
What?
you called for a meeting.
Yes, yes. Please come. Please come. बैठिए. बैठिए. See, I call you all here to discuss a very urgent matter. But where are the others?
Sir, I came first. They must be coming soon, sir.
Please ask them to wait. I'll just be back.
Oh.
Actually, there's no water here in this toilet.
Sir,
I just use the boys.
Can I get water?
No, please. I'll use the boys' toilet. Please.
Enter. Hold. ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡാണ്. ഹലോ നമസ്കാരം മാഷ, നമസ്കാരം. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ഞാൻ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അതെ, എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം. അതെ, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു മീറ്റിംഗിലുണ്ട്. അത് കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വിളിക്കാം. ഐ കോൾ യു ലേറ്റർ.
अरे जरा जल्दी चलिए ना, बुढ़ा गए क्या अभी से?
अरे मैं आ रहा हूँ, जाइए आप, आपके पीछे हूँ मैं।
अरे आइए, अब हमारे लोग भागे जा रहे हैं और भी कौन आया हुआ है।
अच्छा ये बताइए, आपका क्लास हो गई?
अरे आज बड़ी मुद्दत के बाद तो एक तो दिन मिला था जब कौनो क्लास नहीं रही। सोचा था पूरा टाइम जाके आराम से स्टाफ रूम में सुस्ताऊंगा, पर अभी मीटिंग बुला ली गई। अभी मीटिंग कौन बात की बुलाई गई शर्मा जी?
पता नहीं जा साहब, लगता है खुराना साहब बोर हो गए। आजकल उनकी सेक्रेटरी भी छुट्टी पर है।
वैसे खुराना पुराना भी तो हो गया है। हमारी मैडम जी दिखाई नहीं दे रही, मिसेस राय चौधरी।
हाँ, इसीलिए डाई करके आए हमारी मैडम जी। क्या बात है, आजकल आपको फिजिक्स में काफी इंटरेस्ट हो गई है?
अरे शर्मा जी, आप भी बस यूं ही मजाक करते रहते हैं, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं।
नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप तो हिस्ट्री में एक्सपर्ट है और हम ज्योग्राफी में।
আরে কি হয়েছে? What is this meeting about? I've got a class in another 40 minutes.
अब मैडम आइए राय चौधरी जी, आप आइए, बैठिए, मैं बताऊंगा। जा साहब बैठिए, प्लीज सिट डाउन, आई विल एक्सप्लेन। खुराना साहब wants us to learn physics, लेकिन आप तो हमेशा बच्चों के साथ बिजी रहते हैं, बच्चों को ही सिखाते हैं। कभी हमें भी फिजिक्स सिखा दीजिए।
আপনি না শর্মা জি খুব মজা করেন। You are always joking. So
Please sit down. Now, I called you all here to discuss a very important matter. Mrs. Roy Chaudhary, आप अपना फोन जरा बंद रखिए.
sorry sir.
So let us start. Now I called you all here to discuss a very strange situation. An old student of our school, one Vidyarthi, Adarsh Vidyarthi.
আরে you taught him na আদর্শ
Adarsh Vidyarthi. He has brought up an issue which I have never heard before. It is incredible, preposterous. I have never heard anything like it.
But what is the issue?
He wants his school fees back.
School fees back?
Yes.
But why?
Because he has lost his job. Because he has no money. Because he is a gala. What is your opinion about this?
very natural. The law of conservation of energy. Wait, I'll tell you. I was teaching this morning. Yes, the law of conservation of energy. Now, what does it say? It says that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. Okay? So, in this case, what happens? In this case, in a finite time period T, a student can lose as much knowledge as has been drilled into his head by his teacher in another finite time period T of the same duration. Follow me?
बस ठीक है, बट अगर हम इतिहास की बात करें तो हमने ना ऐसा वाक्य कभी देखा, न कभी सुना और न ही कभी पढ़ा। अब यूपी के ही इलेक्शंस को ले लीजिए, लगता है these politicians they have neither learned anything out of it Not they forgotten anything. आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं.
नहीं, the law of
That
conservation of
सारी
energy.
बात अगर-
No.
The real issue is, does he want the money with interest? Simple interest or compound interest? Because in the larger case of compound,
Pillai sir. Sir, Khurana sir, where is this fellow anyhow?
Outside. He wants to be re-examined.
Re-examined?
Yes, re-examined. He says he has not learned anything in the school and the re-examination will prove it.
first
अब आप लोग इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
refund, now re-examination. I have not heard anything like this. Re-examination. So, principal sir, I think there is nothing to lose by re-examining this. In the
विद्यार्थी.
Vidyarthi.
Vidyarthi.
we have nothing to lose.
Really?
See, what we'll do for this re-examination, he will set to only easy questions, no difficult questions at all.
No difficult question. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? अरे what will the student think about all of us? अरे whether we teachers teach students anything or not, but it is our duty to set difficult question papers.
Pillai sir, correct. We should set only difficult questions. Like, what is the difference between soil composition of Andhra region, Telangana region? ऐसे questions पूछना.
हाँ, और इतिहास में हमारा क्वेश्चन होगा कि बहन जी ने वो सड़क के किनारे एग्जैक्टली कितनी हाथी की मूर्तियां लगवाई.
Pillai ji wants to say.
Thank you, madam. Sharma ji, Ja sahab, you are fully correct. But what did this fellow say? That he doesn't have a job, that he is a gada. If he is a gada, he can go to Gulf now. Why has he come here for money? Because he is a chalu admi. He will try to get his money back by hook or by crook. इसीलिए हमको उसको रोकना होगा.
But how?
By staying together
Huh?
as a team. See, if he succeeds today, if he fails today, he succeeds, no? If he succeeds today, tomorrow 2 more will come. Day after tomorrow 4 more will come. After that dozens will come, asking for money back. Then the money back policy.
Education discount sale চলছে.
Correct, not discount. That is why I was telling. If he fails today, he succeeds. He sets an example. Then after that, lots of people will keep on coming. It will become another scandal. Like Watergate, 2G gate, no Colgate. Koila gate. So that is why I was telling that we should set only easy questions. Understood? And whatever he answers, you all agree it is perfectly correct.
Who will decide that all the answers are correct?
अगर आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मैं डिसाइड कर लेता हूँ.
ठीक है. पूछ.
पुराना साहब, let's just call this विद्यार्थी for re-examination. देखते हैं कौन ज्यादा चालू है. जिस स्कूल से वो पढ़ा है उसके प्रिंसिपल खुद पुराना साहब है.
लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा ना?
अयो.
कहीं प्रेस तक जाके पहुंचा तो?
Don't worry, we will make him fish curry. Yes, sir.
Sure.
हाँ.
सत्य, बहरा हुआ है क्या? सुन, वो पढ़ा लिखा गधा है ना, आदर्श विद्यार्थी, उसको अंदर ले आओ और वैसे ही स्टूल ले आना.
मेरे लिए चेयर नको समय बाहर बढ़ जाता.
उनके लिए स्टूल ले आ.
हाँ.
Question.
Sir, the question what will it be?
ओह, क्या बात है? हाँ? ले आए अपनी पूरी लोफरों की पलटन.
How dare you?
Control. So, Mr. Vidyarthi, how do you do?
I do it with my hands.
Very good answer. Wonderful. See, the way that he has answered the question, it shows us that he agrees with our traditions and customs that we try to instill in everybody in this institution. Just like those old Gurukul days. where teachers and students used to stand on an equal footing. See, Vidyarthi, you have shown us in a very tactful manner that you agree with our traditions and customs. And this gentlemanly manners, loafers, gentlemanly manners that you have shown, I think, Principal sir, in the pay subject. SUPW. Let us mark him excellent in SUPW.
Socially useful, productive work. SUPW.
very good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
बहुत अच्छे
क्या बहुत अच्छे हैं? एक बात कान खोल के सुन लो तुम सारे के सारे. I don't give a damn to any one of you. और वैसे भी, I don't think I'm going to pass this examination with gentlemanly behavior. So let me fail as quickly as possible. Give me back my money. Everything else is just nonsense.
We all agree with you. Your courteous manners are not going to fetch any dividends here. You wanted a re-examination? We are going to ask you questions. You have to answer them. And we will assess you based on those answers. Understood?
Good. So let me hear your questions then. I need my money. That's all. So come on, teachers. You asses, you morons.
चल चले
अरे इतना एक्साइट मत हो. अभी पूरा एग्जाम बाकी है. बैठो. Come on, ask me your questions. अगर किसी में गुदा है, साला एक आंसर सही निकलवा के बताओ. चलो.
Okay. Let us start the examination. झा साहब, आप शुरू कीजिए.
हाँ जी सर. तो विद्यार्थी महोदय पूरी तैयारी के साथ आए हैं लगता है एग्जाम के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, तो लीजिए आंसर शीट एंड टेक योर सीट नाउ.
घंटा. I stand and answer.
Please sit down.
हर बात पे sit down.
Yes. See, Vidyarthi wants us to understand two things here. That he will not take a written exam. He will answer orally. No wastage of paper, no. Good. And he will stand and answer the question. Amitabh Bachchan, physical fitness, excellent. See, physical fitness means mental fitness. So, mark it. Excellent in physical fitness.
You are right.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Physical fitness. Excellent.
क्या फिजिकल फिटनेस एक्सीलेंट है? नो. समझ गया. You guys caught me this time ना. बट दूसरी बार चांस नहीं दूंगा. From now on I'm going to keep my ears open. चलो शुरू हो जाओ.
Alertness. Very good.
अरे perseverance तो very good.
And logic, excellent.
Come on, get on with your question.
See, ambition boundless. I am speechless.
झाजी, आप शुरू कीजिए.
Just a minute, sir.
Just a minute, हाँ झाजी? हिस्ट्री के एग्जाम में कभी एक सेकंड एक्स्ट्रा नहीं दिया और जस्ट अ मिनट पूरा.
एक दो मिनट दो बच्चे.
हाँ, एक मिनट का हुआ. इनको इजी क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. साला हमेशा से ही खत्म कैप्सूल रहा है.
अरे हाँ क्वेश्चन. हाँ ये जो क्वेश्चन है दिस इज अबाउट तेलंगाना एजिटेशन which is going on for 43 years since 1969. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन है हमारा क्वेश्चन है how long has been the 43-year-old Telangana agitation been going on for?
What?
जवाब दीजिए.
I mean, I don't know the answer.
अरे इम्पॉसिबल. आप जानते हैं आंसर. जवाब दीजिए. जवाब.
Sir, this fellow is making me cheat. How long has been the Telangana agitation going on? यही ना सवाल है झाजी.
बिल्कुल ठीक. और जवाब बा.
जवाब है 4 meters. 4 meters long. I know it lasted that long.
Oh, I can be wrong.
Yes, I am wrong and you refund my school fees. Yes.
4 मीटर. सही जवाब दिए है ना.
हाँ.
अरे सही जवाब.
क्या?
बिल्कुल सही जवाब. अरे इतना बढ़िया जवाब तो आज तक कौनो स्टूडेंट दिए भी नहीं किया. The candidate has shown that he just doesn't have superficial knowledge about the subject of history. He has shown great confidence. He has researched the matter deeply in accordance to modern research, which is based on
Relativity.
relativity.
Quantum theory.
Condom theory.
Quantum theory. अच्छे Einstein.
ये नाम को सुना हुआ था.
Correct. What did Einstein say? That time is as real as space and matter. And it consists of atoms. It can be synthesized into a unified whole. So you convert that mass system unit into another unit, like years into meters. So 40 years become 40 meters.
Mr. Pillai, you're right. See, if you reduce the distance scale in the ratio of 1:10, then 40 meters will become 4 meters. Just like we scale the maps in geography, sir. So here 4 meters is equal to
4 years.
4 years.
Super. So that means the Telangana agitation lasted only 4 years. Because
because तेलंगाना एजिटेशन जो था पूरा दिन तो चलता ही नहीं था. निकाल दीजिए 12 घंटे की. तो एक तरह से 40 साल हो गया टोटल. 20 साल.
2020.
आधे दिन में से भी कौन सा ये लोग पूरा दिन एजिटेशन करते थे. Half the time they used to sleep in the afternoon, eat during Amaran Anshan, peaceful stone felting, bus burning, and so many other activities like
Other social distractions like closure of schools, etc. etc. So that means Telangana agitation actually lasted for 4 years, no? That is what Vidyarthi answered. But in the Einsteinian equivalent of 4 meters. Correct? Yes, and you know, he has excellent knowledge in history.
excellent. अरे super excellent knowledge है का.
You're right. History, super excellent.
No, I protest. This is wrong.
History exam over. Now for the exam in physics. This is Roy Chaudhary. आप शुरू कीजिए.
साले
Yes,
ढोंगी
sir.
लोग, मैं सब देख रहा हूँ, सब समझ रहा हूँ. रुको अभी, बताता हूँ अभी.
Come, Adarsh. Let's start the physics examination.
ओहो, मिसेस राय चौधरी,
Yes.
रसगुल्ला.
Adarsh, behave yourself.
हाँ. So, what is going to happen now? Huh? You'll ask me questions and I'll answer them. Better don't ask them at all because I don't have the time to answer. और वैसे भी 15 साल में तू रसगुल्ले से फुटबॉल बन गई है. You know, you were always a pain in the ass like you are now. अच्छा, do you remember the day you got hit by a stone on your head? Huh? Do you know who threw that stone? I did it.
তুমি করেছো, you.
हाँ, मैं नहीं करूँ चूप. अब ज़्यादा एक्साइट मत हो, वरना ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा. चल, ask me the question. चल, give me a hard one. Try me.
Thank you, Adarsh. That scar has become my identification mark now. Passport पे टाइम में बड़े काम में आए थे.
राय चौधरी जी, क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
Okay, let us get back to the question. Adarsh, you have seen the clock tower, haven't you?
Yes.
Now, when you move away from the clock tower, the clock appears smaller. Now tell me, Adarsh, does the clock really become smaller, or is it due to some illusion? Is it due to some optical illusion?
What rubbish? Huh? How do I know? Whenever I walk away from the clock tower, the clock becomes larger. So, to make it smaller, I turn back and walk right up to the clock tower. But the clock is not small at all.
So, in a word, therefore, in 2 words. Adarsh, 2
In a
words.
word, in 2 words, in a word, you are like a big football in my ass. You are a big ass. That's my answer.
Adarsh, behave yourself.
Correct. Good. Very good. A difficult answer, but very, very good. Brilliant. As. Money. Kada. Yes. As. Money. Kada. Why does the ass look sad? I've got it.
What have you got? You मोटी बिल्ली?
I'll explain. I know. Usually, all of us look sad because we are all victims of illusion.
Illusion? माने मोह माया?
Yes, we are all victims of Mohamaya. But how does Mohamaya affect the primitive, unperceptive power of the Gada? How?
कैसे? जरा हमें भी बताइए.
ऐसे कि the ass, the Gada, might be a highly advanced animal technologically, but it lacks imagination. Like all of us. So, it is also a victim of illusion. Therefore, when we look at an ass, it looks sad because it is a victim of illusion. And therefore, when an ass moves away from an object, that object becomes smaller because of illusion. See here, Adorsho has compared us to the highly advanced animal technologically, the Gada. So, therefore, the decrease of the size of the object, in this case, when we move away from the clock tower, the clock appears smaller because of illusion. Because of optical illusion. Very good, Adorsho. I certify, sir, that Adorsho Vidyarthi has scored good, rather very, very good in physics
You're
examination.
right. Physics, very, very good.
Oh, no, खिंचले. Oh,
सर ये औरत पागल हो गई है.
जय माँ दुर्गा.
Physics exam over. Now we move on to geography. Sharma ji, शुरू कीजिए.
ओ तू साले बुट्ठे ठगी उजड़ा हुआ चमन
কি বলছে?
कैसा है बे? हैं?
Excuse me.
मेरा नाम तेरी हिट लिस्ट में हमेशा सबसे ऊपर रहता था ना? हाँ? साला वो उधर वहां नील डाउन कराया करता था. साला घुटने छिल जाते थे और ये उल्टे हाथ करके इसमें लकड़ी से मारा करता था. और वो उधर वो काली कोठरी वहां पे बंद करता था घंटों के लिए.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me.
हाँ आई टेल यू मेरा रुक ये एग्जाम खत्म होने दे उसके बाद तुझे उसी काली कोठरी में बंद करूंगा. रुक.
Okay, Adarsh. Now the question. Sit down.
हाँ?
You want the refund? Sit down. Just sit down and listen to my question. Now the question in geography. Washington DC is the capital of the United States. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh state. Now my question is, what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
What a dumb question. Huh? The answer is part of the question.
Isn't it?
हाँ?
So the answer is,
Which? The answer is there.
बोलो.
अगर कैपिटल विच है तो कैपिटल का नाम विच है. द नेम ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी इज विच. कैसा रहा उजड़ा हुआ चमन है और उजड़ गया.
Look, the answer is correct. The name of the city is Voich. Actually, Adarsh has shown exemplary knowledge in the history of Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. I can explain. I'll tell you. There is a legend There is a story that once Nawab Mehboob Yar Jung was riding into the city. As he was riding on his horse, he saw a beautiful girl. He looked at her. She was eating biryani or halim and her mouth was full. He stopped his horse and asked her, नाम क्या है इस शहर का? The girl looked at him and said, Oich. And she stopped as her mouth was full. Nawab laughed. So, the name of the city is Oich. And from that day onwards, for years, the Nawab always used to refer Hyderabad as Oich. So, the answer is outstanding. Sir, I suggest that you give him outstanding in geography.
You're right. Geography, outstanding. Now, the candidate, sit down. The candidate has passed all the exams so far with flying colors. Now, only the examination in mathematics is left. If he clears that, he would have cleared the entire examination. So, chalu ho jayega.
I have to be more careful now.
So, Mr. Vidyarthi,
Oh, chimney, huh? Do you know why we used to call you chimney? Huh? Because we could smell the stench of your BD miles away. I can smell it even now, you know. If you want to do something like these three idiots, then you better be prepared. Do you want to hear my mathematics? Huh? I'll tell you. 1 लाख मतलब एक पेटी, 100 पेटी मतलब एक खोखा, 100 खोखे मतलब एक राडिया, 100 राडिया मतलब एक कलमाड़ी, 100 कलमाड़ी मतलब एक राजा और 100 राजा मतलब एक मैडम. This is my mathematics, this is my system and you'll see me using it. To hell with your mathematics, to hell with you. रुक जा. ये एग्जामिनेशन खत्म होने दे, उसके बाद तुझे इतना डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा, साला कभी इंटीग्रेट नहीं हो पाए. Good, very good, excellent. No, not this time. This time it will be better if you say you're not prepared and let me fail. Give me back my money.
no, you must not joke about a serious examination like mathematics. So, for this exam, I am going to ask you 2 questions. Not 1 question, 2 questions. One easy and the other hard.
One easy and the other hard. One easy and the other hard. The same chimney that you always were. Now what, huh? You will draw those pictures on the
If this
blackboard.
were an art exam, I would have marked you excellent. But this is mathematics. Mathematics is the heartbeat of this world. Without mathematics, this whole world is a vattabhujyam. Simple as zero. So coming to the easy question. If the distance of the star Sirius from the sun is equal to x and the speed of light equal to y, then what is the circumference of a 109-sided regular polyhedron? And the surface area of one face of that polyhedron is equal to the shirt pocket of a history teacher who is trying to set up the physics teacher in the same school for the last 6 months.
What are you saying, Mr. Pilla? क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Pillai. M.K. Bhaskaran Pillai. मेले पर अंदर खड़े बैठे भास्करन पिल्लाई सर. डबल एम मैथ्स प्रेसिडेंसी कॉलेज.
ठीक है. Let him ask the question. Whatever. Illa, pilla. Continue. Repeat the question. Chalo.
No, I will not repeat the question. What? It is against the policy. Either you paid attention to what I was telling, or you did not pay attention. Or either you know the answer or you don't know.
I know the answer.
Then tell me.
The answer is 2,629 liters exactly. No fractions, no decimals, nothing. Yeah, Chimney. This time I have not given you a good answer. I have given you a too good answer. Bol.
Wrong.
Pillai ji,
The answer is completely wrong. It is not 2,629 and all. 2,628 liters is the correct answer. Sir, Principal sir, this fellow does not know mathematics at all. He is a complete failure.
Yes, I'm a failure. I'm a failure. Give me back my money.
What are you saying, Mr. Kolaveri? क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
You agree that this is a good school? And then it is our duty to keep the reputation of the school intact.
Yes. Very true.
Ah.
Give me back my money, sir. Give me back my money.
Then that means we also have to keep our reputation also intact. Otherwise we will come for tuitions tomorrow.
Right,
Ah.
right.
So that is why we should not let a bloat come on the reputation of the school. So I think you should refund this fellow's school fees.
You think so? I can refund. क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, I take care. I think it is a reasonable request, completely reasonable request. Correct. Vidyarthi,
Yes, sir.
how much fees should we refund you?
Yes.
Ah,
This I'll tell you exactly.
1 second, 1 minute. Joseph, for verification. Yes, continue.
I studied in this school for 12 years. For the first 6 years, the fees was 300 rupees. So 300 into 6 into 12 equal to 21,600 rupees. For the next 6 years, the fees was 500 rupees. So 500 into 6 into 12 equal to 36,000 rupees. 36,000 plus 21,600 equal to 57,600 rupees. Examination fees 2,400. Certificates, books, documents, stamp taxes, another 1550 rupees 50 paise. So the total becomes 57,600 plus 2,400 equal to 60,000 plus 1550 rupees 50 paise. Incidentals, notebooks, stationeries, etc. Another 31,000. So the total becomes 64,650 rupees and 50 paise. Attendance shortage fees and auto rickshaw fees another 30,000 rupees. So the final total becomes 94,650 rupees and 50 paise. Round it off and you can pay me 95,000 rupees. Interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 15 years and the total becomes 3,96,838 rupees and 58 paise.
Three lakh 96, 838, 58. Correct. Vidyarthi, you have given very well 2 decimal points.
Yes, sir. Thank you. आप ही गुरु हैं मेरे.
You should get the refund.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, that was my difficult question.
क्या?
Principal sir, I think he is excellent in mathematics. See, the answer to the easy question, it was more by 0.1%. But his answer to the difficult question, and it was correct to 2 decimal points. He is a mathematical genius. Our next Ramanujam. Excellent in mathematics.
Mathematics, excellent. Now I have to declare the results. Adarsh Vidyarthi has passed all the subjects with distinction. He fully deserves the A certificate that we have awarded him. Congratulations, Adarsh, my boy. Congratulations. And a big congratulations to all of us for having taught you so excellently. We have examined you both in your abilities and your knowledge. And now, get out before I have you thrown out.
तो we all are morons. हमको मोरॉन बोलता था ससुरा का नाती। तारी बाहर निकल, फिर बताते कौन बड़ा मोरॉन है, हम कि तुम?
बुड्ढा, हाँ? उजड़ा हुआ चमन, तेरा बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप, हाँ?
Hey, আমি রসগোল্লা and you threw the stone at me.
सत्ते, सत्ते, मर क्या करे? इसको बाहर पे.
Hey, 1 second. Wait. Sir, since Vidyarthi has given this re-examination, no, I think he should be paying the re-examination fees. And the building surcharge fees, certificate fees,
प्यून चार्ज,
fuel charge.
सत्ते, इसको अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर के पास ले जाओ और ये री-एग्जामिनेशन फी वो जो फीस की बात हुई है ना, सब डाल के बिल बना के देने को बोलो.
सर गरीब आदमी
गरीब बंदा है.
उसको ले नील डाउन, कान पकड़, बुड्ढा, हाँ? बुड्ढा बोलता है.
फेल होने आया था, वो भी हमारे स्कूल में.
स्कूल शुरू है, 100% का पासिंग रिकॉर्ड है. रोज इतना बड़ा ऐड नहीं देखता पेपर में. चला तो हमारा फेबुलस रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करना है.
Nobody can break the record. After all, why are we here?
Teachers, thank you very much for your excellent cooperation. And now we'll continue with the grand tradition of our school, which we have done so far, and that is
No student can fail in this school.
You are right. No student
ऐसा लगा कि आप लोगों को शो पसंद आया.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let me introduce the team, the backstage team, the production team, and the rest of the crew first. Sandeep Sharma. Nedhaji Biradar. Deepti Girotra. Raviraj Kulkarni. ये बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी थे इसीलिए इन्होंने सूत्रधार की टी शर्ट नहीं पहनी है. उनका कहना ये है कि जो काम करते हैं उनको लेबल्स की जरूरत नहीं होती. Rakesh, our videographer. I would also like to thank our senior photographer, Mr. Ramkrishna. He's been kind enough to offer his services every time we have a show to click pictures. The lights were by Dr. Adesh. The sound and music was provided by, the ambience, the surroundings, the motorbikes and the cars. So I think you should clap for them. I think you are not distracted by those sounds. That speaks, I think, about the production values of the day. I would like now to introduce the cast to you. I begin with the senior most person of the cast, Mr. Devendra Desai, who played the principal. Sati was played by Satya Bhagat Reddy. Jha Saab was played by Captain Ahmed. Physics teacher, Mrs. Roy Chaudhary, Rita Ghosh. और उजड़ा हुआ चमन was Mr. Suresh Kumar. Nishant, Adarsh. ये एक नए स्कैम के प्रमोटर हैं, एजुकेशनल स्कैम के प्रमोटर हैं, आदर्श विद्या. I would like to call upon Narayan, who played the mathematics teacher. This play was adapted and directed by Narayan. Thank you so much for promoting us and the theatre in general in such a big way. We're always grateful to you. As you all know, Sutradhar is a group on Facebook. You can join the group on Facebook. You can also join a newly created group on Facebook which is called Rang Sutra Festival of Performing Arts, which we keep having every year. This was the second edition that we had beginning of March. So I would urge all of you to please join the group Sutradhar to keep updated about our activities, and also while leaving, please leave your feedback, valuable feedback, and enter your mail IDs, drop in your visiting cards so that we can add you to our mailing list and keep informing you every time we have something new coming up. And thank you so much. I have no words to thank you for being here and encouraging us in such a big way. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot to mention the most important component of this production, the Lamakan team. Abhinav, Humaira, Farhan. Farhan, if you can come on stage. In the back. In the back. Humaira, yes. Humaira. And the boys here, the canteen boys, particularly Pradeep, Bharat, and the rest of the boys, they have been of immense help. finally the friendly canines who didn't trouble us this time. Please give them a big hand as well. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The actors would like to interact with you if you wish to interact with them, ask questions, drill them, or ask them.